If you need a reminder that the animal kingdom isn't all fuzzy kittens and cute puppies, but is actually filled with literal monsters plucked from your nightmares, then keep watching. Because as far as reminders go, these next few minutes should be enough to keep you thankful that none of those fearsome creatures are in your house right now. Damn, nature, you scary. Let's begin. This shark looks angry AF after being caught. I mean, wouldn't you be? It must be nice to be so rich that you don't have to worry about your pet bear scratching up your Bentley. Golfers play it pretty casual when a moose shows up and interrupts their game. They should be more concerned for their safety. Moose injure more people in North America than bears and wolves combined, and worldwide, moose are second only to hippos in terms of injuries caused. I say just let the moose play through.
Ja, de är ju... Men kolla på dem. Nu jävlar. Nej, men spring inte så. Det kommer ju fan hit ju.
You want to go, bud?
Yeah, there you go.
Sometimes, when you least expect it, Mother Nature just shows up and reminds you how small and insignificant you really are. Take a look.
Oh! 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 I got that on video! Holy fire! What the? You got your fish on? What the?
I have a rule. No pets that menacingly hiss at me. How about you?
I know I have an alligator in my sewer.
Let's say you work at this 7-Eleven and a bear walks in and does a bit of shoplifting. What are you going to do? Are you going to try to enforce store policy or just take out your phone and film it? If you found a random snake this size in your bedroom, how long until you'd be able to sleep in that room again? If this was my wife, we'd have to move.
So I was just laying in my bed and I looked down to my side and there's a giant piece of snake skin just sitting right there. So then I took a look around and took a look behind here and we have, what's that? Oh yeah. It's a giant f***ing snake. Where the f*** did you come from?
Boys and girls, please, whatever you do, do not do what these foolish people are doing. That is a massive bison and he's a potential killer. Just look at the size of him. It wouldn't take much for him to decide to seriously injure or kill these idiots with their phones out. If you see a bison on the side of the road, please stay in your vehicle. They say that birds descended from dinosaurs. If you need any proof of that, just take a look at this goofy-looking specimen.
Pas op je binnen.
This gigantic beast, my friends, is a sturgeon. Sturgeon can be found in fresh and coastal waters, with some living longer than 100 years. Some species of sturgeon are the source of the world's most sought-after and expensive caviar. But what does a sturgeon taste like? I don't know, but if you do, let us know in the comments.
Found this big spider in my basement and the only thing I had on me was spray paint and I think I made him scarier. Whoops.
This determined little thief doesn't seem to care too much about this fisherman's attempts to keep it away from his daily catch. In the end, I don't think he minds sharing one of his fish with this cute little Arctic fox. I mean, would you? Look at that face.
Вот ты наглый, а? Вот ты наглый, что ты будешь делать? Как так можно, блин? Ну нельзя быть таким наглым. Парень, не наглей так сильно. Ну куда ты? Кто тебя... Блин. Ну ты наглый, а? Как так можно? Не ешь, не ешь, не ешь. Фу, это мое мойво. Моя рыба, говорю, моя. Лунка моя, рыба моя. Ну ты кадр, ладно, бери, бери. Молодец, считай, что выкопал. Это тебе за фокус.
It seems like we all know that one weirdo that keeps odd pets. Well, here's one of those weirdos now. If these swimmers were just a few feet to their left, this would be an entirely different whale shark video.
evidentemente la sensación con la que está generándose este tipo de cosas acá ha complicado un poco la seguridad del sector y también de lo que hoy en día se puede considerar. Sí, y evidentemente hay una situación complicada.
Jeez! Holy! That was insane!
Is this a turtle or a tortoise? I always get them confused, but I'm sure I'll see a few of you in the comments telling me how dumb I am for not knowing. I'm guessing tortoise. This could be an alien monster or the biggest lobster you've ever seen. I'll leave it up to you to decide.
What's a dog doing? Ow!
I don't know what the hell that is. Is it a lynx? What is that?
Definitely not a domestic cat.
This is so crazy.
I bet this guy was pretty surprised when he matched with this lioness on Tinder, but they seem to be hitting it off on their first date. Good luck, you crazy kids. How about that, my friends? That little tour around the wilder side of the animal kingdom is only the beginning. If you enjoyed our little video safari, hit that like button and be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming, astonishingly captivating videos. See you next time.